What if the reason she isn't falling deeper for you has nothing to do with how much you text her, how attractive you are, or how hard you try? There's one small action that can make a woman feel something most men accidentally destroy. And here's the strange part. The more you try to impress her, the easier it is to miss it. Stay until the end, because the final part explains exactly why this one action can change the way she experiences you. Think about the last time she opened up to you. Maybe she told you about a stressful day, a problem at work, something that hurt her. And what did you do? You probably tried to solve it. You gave advice. You said, "Don't worry about it." You tried to make everything better. Sounds like the right thing to do, right? Not always. Because sometimes, when a woman is emotionally vulnerable, she isn't asking you to fix her problem. She's asking a much deeper question. Can I be completely myself around this man, without being judged, dismissed, or controlled? And your response answers that question faster than almost anything you can say. But there's a specific way to do it. The action is simple. Listen without immediately trying to fix. Not fake listening, not waiting for your turn to talk. Actually listen. Put your phone down, look at her, let her finish. And instead of immediately giving her a solution, say something like, "I can see why that bothered you." That sentence can do more emotionally than a 10-minute speech. Now here's where most guys get uncomfortable. Because men are often taught to solve problems. If something is broken, fix it. If there's conflict, find the answer. If she's upset, make her feel better. But emotional connection doesn't always work that way. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can give someone is the feeling that they don't have to defend their feelings to you. And this matters especially if you've ever felt like, "I'm doing everything for her, so why does she still feel distant?" You text her, you make plans, you compliment her, you try to be the perfect boyfriend. But somehow, she still doesn't seem emotionally connected. Here's what you may be missing. Being cared for and being understood are not the same thing. A woman can appreciate everything you do for her and still feel emotionally alone. Because actions answer, "Do you care about me?" But emotional understanding answers, "Do you actually get me?" And when someone feels deeply understood, something changes. They stop feeling like they have to perform. They stop filtering every emotion. And they can finally relax around you. Imagine she comes home frustrated and says, "My boss embarrassed me today." Don't immediately say, "You should quit," or just ignore him. Instead try, "That sounds frustrating. What happened?" Then listen. Ask one thoughtful question. Let her tell the story. You don't need to become her therapist. You don't need to solve her entire life. You just need to be present. And here's the part most men don't realize. When you don't rush to control the conversation, you give her emotional room. She gets to experience something rare. "I can tell this man how I actually feel," and he won't immediately turn it into an argument, lecture, or solution. That creates comfort. And comfort is often where deeper connection begins. But there's one mistake that can completely ruin this. Don't confuse listening with agreeing with everything. You can understand her feelings without agreeing with every conclusion. You can say, "I understand why you feel that way," without saying, "You're right about everything." That's important, because real emotional safety doesn't come from being a yes man. It comes from knowing you can be honest without being cruel. And this is where the action becomes powerful. Imagine she knows she can bring you the messy version of herself, not just the happy version, the anxious version, the frustrated version, the confused version. And instead of immediately judging her, you stay calm. At that moment, you're no longer just the guy she's dating. You're becoming the person she feels safe being real with. But remember something important. This isn't a trick to make her love you. If you're listening just because you want a psychological advantage, eventually she'll feel that. The real power comes when you genuinely become interested in understanding her world. Not controlling it, not fixing everything, not desperately trying to earn her approval, understanding it. And that's why this one action can be so powerful. Because deep attraction isn't only about excitement. Eventually, people ask themselves, who do I feel most like myself around? If she can answer that question with your name, you've created something much stronger than another clever text message. You've created emotional safety. And emotional safety is something people don't easily forget. So the next time she opens up to you, resist the urge to immediately fix everything. Listen, understand, then respond. And if you're serious about becoming the kind of man women feel safe opening up to, subscribe. Because the next video is about the one thing men do during arguments that quietly destroys emotional attraction, even when they think they're helping.